Alright everyone, welcome back. This is update 3, I do believe, project phases. This, so in the last update I said this would take a really long time. I was wrong. I thought this was going to take a long time. It didn't. This is enemy AI. It didn't really take that long. It was just very tedious. There's a lot to do, a lot of, I wouldn't say copy paste, but it wasn't the most enjoyable thing. But I'm just going to read off my list here that we always got. So yeah, let's go. So we're going to start. So let's see. What's the first few changes? So overworld, there's no changes at all. I can see. Actually, there's one change. Did I move these guys? I forget. I think I moved these guys slightly. The enemies. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there's one pretty big change. The points, as you can see, now carry over from fight to fight, like the health did in the last update. And it's pretty much the same thing. It carries over, and then when you press the heart, it will heal you. The points and the hearts. And I can show you that later. So let's see. Okay, so that's pretty much all that's in the overworld. That's new. Most of it's in the battle. So for the most part, this is the same thing. But the enemy, we're going to be looking at him. So as you can see, there's a new point counter. So he now has his own little point system. It's not as complicated as the one we have. The one like the player has. Well, I guess it's the same thing, but it's controlled via code, not by player input. Anyways, so he has 12 points, not 10. Mostly because he does a lot less damage, but it's like the same amount of points. I don't know what I was thinking, but whatever. So I just gave him a few more points, and it seemed to balance it out. So there's a lot of stuff for AI. So it all depends on what phase the player's in. So I have like a whole list of what happens in each phase. So we're just going to go through all of them, whichever one comes first, which will probably be the wait phase. So we're just going to, actually, we're going to wait because there's a new animation. So you know, for skip and wait, you know how like when damage like flies up and then fades away. So the same thing's with skip and wait now, so you can see us got wait. So I'm going to let him attack, and then I'll explain what happened. Cool, he did that. So that's pretty much what always happened, but there's tons of different factors now. So here's how it all works. So think about the wait phase. If the enemy has less or equal to 6 health, it will use heal instead, because it doesn't want to risk that. It can do up to 8 damage. Yes, it can do up to 8 damage. The first attack, it will either attack, wait, or heal, depending on points. If it doesn't have enough points to do anything, it'll just kind of wait, and it will get 2 points like we have. It will wait through the phase. It will heal if it has less than, I think, 16 health, and it will attack if it has enough health and enough points to do so. Once that's done, as long as it didn't wait, it would do the second attack. It will either heal or do 3 damage. So there you go. And it can heal. It can heal up to 2 times. It can attack up to 2 times. It can wait through the whole thing. It can attack once, heal once. You know, tons of different combinations depending on the health and the points. So let's do that again, just so you can see it happen. I'm gonna have to heal my way through out of this. So it just did more damage. I'm gonna heal. Actually, no, I'm gonna have to skip, aren't I? So I'm gonna skip this phase, and then we're gonna continue on to the next phase, which will be attack. So attack is very interesting. Now I'd like to show you healing, but I'll have to do some damage first. So actually, I should probably start doing some damage. I'll do that. So same thing. If it has less or equal to 6 health, it will use the face to heal instead of doing anything. Which makes sense because if you don't have enough health, then you just want to heal up and make sure you can still fight. So like it used, like on our side, if you hit them during the attack phase, it does a random amount of damage, but it's up to 10 for the enemy. So it can do either 0 damage or 10 damage, which is the most powerful phase it can do, which is kind of interesting. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. So the first attack, it will either attack or heal, depending on the points, and then it will do random damage up to 10. If it has less than 8 health, that's not right. That's 6. That's a typo. Anyways, it will heal instead. the second attack, it will heal or skip or attack. So am I looking at that one? Yeah. So the heal, skip, or attack. Actually, no, it can't skip during the second attack. What am I thinking? It'll heal or attack depending on health and the points. And once again, it will wait if it doesn't have enough points to do anything. So actually, we're gonna run into that situation here in a second. So let's get some damage in. Ooh, he did 0 damage. Haha. Oh wait, no, we did 0 damage. Ah, dang it. So let's skip to defend. So they're all pretty much the same. The things that makes them different is how much damage you do. And in order to really show you the whole system, I have to like get his health down. So let's go ahead and do that. So skip, and you can see he waited there. So now we're going to attack him in his wait phase. We're going to do some damage to him, some heavy damage. And we're going to heal while we're at it. Ooh, yeah, that was a good damage. So he skipped through that. So yeah, so if we're in our defend phase, this one's the most different. He will skip through it if there's like some crazy parameters to see if he skips through it or not. He will either skip through it on his second attack if he has enough points, or he'll skip through it on his first attack if there's some parameter. I forget what. I think if he doesn't have to heal, he'll skip through it. Because, of course, you don't want to attack during the defend phase. So that's pretty much, and then everything else is pretty much the same. Is that the only difference that it can do, I think 10 damage? No, it can do 0 actually because defend phase, but this is really a bad list. I didn't check this over. Oh my gosh, there's so many mistakes on this list. Anyways, so let's see, can we get that again? Will that line up? It will line up. Let's do it. So as you can see, he didn't do anything. Oh, he didn't have enough points to do anything, so he didn't. Let's heal. Alright, so he did damage. Oh, he attacked us in our attack phase. Dang it. Let's wait and then skip. Cool, so he waited that because he didn't have enough points. But now we're going to line up properly. So he's going to skip, and there you go. So now let's do some damage. That'll be wait phase, so that will work. So we can see some heal action. And like I said, it'll pretty much, all of them are the same thing as heal-wise, at least. So that's good. He waited. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to do that. Can we heal? Let's heal. Do that. Okay, cool. So he's down to health and he'll start healing. So as you can see there, he healed through his attack phase instead of attacking the whole way through. He's going to heal more probably. I should probably stop doing damage then. Let's see. 20. I need to do less damage in order to get it to the point I want it to get. Or I could just stack him during the defend phase or attack phase. That will work. Yeah, this was completely prepared. Alright, so do that. Cool. 2 damage. And we're going to do 2 and 2. Alright, so he'll start healing again. Ooh. Don't have enough points. Dang it. See, this is like a normal battle. Except I'm not really caring if I die or not. Actually, I could very well die in these next few turns if I don't be careful. Oh dang. Come on. So this is more of a showcase than anything else, now that I think about it. Alright, so let's nope. Well, we could. That's gonna take some luck though. How about we heal first? Can't, dang it. Alright, well here we go. No! Will we make it? Okay, if we do Fury again. Oh, we did it. We did full 15. We win! Yay! Alright, cool. So, there's that. There's enemy AI. That was a really bad way to explain it, but there's so many parameters and so many things to worry about that it's just a mess to explain. But as you can see, our health and stuff is persistent. We barely made it out of that fight. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's one more thing that I added I completely forgot about. Did I? Nope. There's nothing. That's it. So yep, that's the update. It wasn't that hard. Let me show you that everything does carry over. Because, so there you go, that does carry over. We're just going to restart the game here. Alright, so next up on the list, last time I really ranted about what's next, and I ranted about how long this would take, and it didn't take long at all. I'm gonna try and get multiple player combat in. I don't think that'll be the next update though, because I'm pretty busy these next few weeks, so I don't know how much time I'm gonna have to work on this. But I'm gonna try and work as much as I can, and I don't want to work on start something like huge, like multiple player battles, and like leave it for a week or two, and then come back to it not knowing what the heck I was doing. So I don't want that to happen. So maybe I'll get started on it. Probably not. So I don't know what's next. It might be more overworld stuff. Maybe more functionality in certain things. I don't know. Maybe another enemy type. That might be cool. I don't really know what's next. Man, I'm just thinking how bad I did of explaining enemy AI. So I'm gonna keep this short because, like I said last episode, I didn't. So I don't know what's next. Probably more overworld stuff. Maybe some more animations. I might add some like actual animations because there aren't any right now. So I think that's about it. I'll talk about multiple player combat maybe in the next episode. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that. And in the next update, I'm not sure. Probably. I don't know when that come out. It probably won't be too long until that. Maybe like early next week, hopefully. So we'll have to see. Wait and see. So thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in the game, subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, any concerns, or whatever, any ideas or anything you should noticed that I missed of an update that I didn't put on my list, or something that seems weird and I didn't notice. Bugs. If you catch any bugs that you found in the video, tell me. I found some bugs before just looking back through the videos. So if you see that, tell me. It'd be great so I can get those out of the way fixed. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next update. Goodbye.